Now, with huge data sets, how can we tell if variables are positively or negatively correlated? You can't just eyeball it and decide if it looks like the variables move in the same or opposite directions. No, what you'd have to do is you got to enter your data into a stats program and then compute a value called a correlation coefficient. A correlation coefficient is a number that ranges from -1 to +1, and it tells you about the relationship between your variables. A positive number means a positive relationship between the variables, like Ponderosa and happiness. While a negative number would mean a negative relationship, like course absences and GPA. So this number tells you about the strength of that relationship as well. Right? So numbers close to 0, either positive or negative, they mean the relationship is weak and might represent variables with no relationship, like the number of Willem Dafoe films that you've seen and McRib purchases. By the way, an AI drawing program generated this grotesque image when I entered Willem Dafoe eating a McRib. Technology is a grand thing. I hope that these images cameo in your nightmares for years to come. May they haunt you for as long as I know that they're going to haunt me. Anyways, it's difficult to accurately predict anything with weak correlations like the one I just talked about. Whereas numbers that are further from 0, and they're closer to 1 or closer to -1, now that means you have a relationship between the variables that is stronger, and we actually can do something with those. We can use someone's value on one variable to more accurately predict where they'd fall on the other.